Here's my new push block. Now, this is pretty pricey. I paid 60 bucks for this MicroJig here. Got some instructions, a warranty card, and there is a little bit assembly here to do before we get to play with our new toy. We have a nice little bag here of hardware, but not for nothing, for 60 bucks, I think this should have already came assembled. So first things first, just separate all the hardware. So you're going to need the main base, they called it the main body, 2 of these washers, your 2 biggest Phillips bolts, 2 washers, and your handle. Take your washer, put it with that bolt, drop it in there, drop it in there. Now this washer with the ring facing up and your Phillips screwdriver in place, spin 1 or 2 times. Same thing with the opposite side. Now slide it in place. There you go. So there is no center mark, so you just gotta eyeball it. If you're happy with that, tighten your screws or your Phillips bolt. There. Grab this piece here. This is called your center leg. Now you're going to need these 2 knobs here. Grab these 2 bolts here. 2 washers. Put this right into that hole right there. Drop a washer, the opposite end, and your knob. And repeat the process for the opposite side. Now you slide your center leg into these slots right here. It's best to try to do them both at the same time. And the same thing, just try to eyeball the center. Now for your 2 side legs, they're both a little different. Grab the side leg, that's the thickest one. If you see here, the difference. Grab this one first. Now take a good look at it. See right here, flip it this way, and your 2 O-rings go one here, one there. That's these guys. If that could focus. 2 Phillips screws and 2 washers. Place an O-ring there. Another right there. Try to get this to fit right over top of those O-rings. See your O-rings. Get your screw. The magnet on my screwdriver is okay. There you go. Like so. Real quick, this screwdriver doesn't come magnetized. I actually magnetize it with this little tool here. It's very simple. You can magnetize it and you can demagnetize it. Pretty cool little gadget here. Now we're just going to repeat that process on the opposite side. What happened here? Oh, washer's in the way. Here's another way of doing it. You can put your screw in first, like so. Take your O-ring, just push it in there. That's another way of doing it. Probably easier that way. And the last part is your adjustable spacer. Grab those two knobs, two washers, two O-rings. Your washer, one on each side. Push your O-ring in there. If it goes in there, there. Same thing. Now screw it into the thick side leg. There you go. And you can tighten it. There you have it. Your new PushBlock MicroJig is assembled. Now you can play with it.